Hey everyone! Welcome to Madras Academy's Tech Tutorials. Today we're going to build a simple but powerful project, controlling an LED with a push button using an Arduino Mega. We'll make the physical circuit, simulate it in Tinkercad, view the block and text code, and upload it to our real Arduino Mega board. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this project: an Arduino Mega board, a breadboard, a push button, an LED, a 220 ohm resistor, jumper wires. Now let's connect everything. Connect the shorter leg, negative, to GND on the Arduino Mega through a 220 ohm resistor. One leg of the push button goes to pin 7. The other leg goes to GND. Connect the longer leg of the LED, positive, to pin 13 on the Arduino Mega. This setup uses Arduino's internal pull-up resistor feature. Now let's simulate this in Tinkercad. Head to Tinkercad, log in or sign up, then click Create New Circuit. Now drag an Arduino Mega, breadboard, push button, LED, and a resistor into the workspace. Wire the components exactly like we did physically. Connect the LED to pin 13 through a resistor push button to pin 7 and GND. Don't forget to use the code button to program it. Click on text to see the text version. Here's what we're going to code. If you want the code, links in the description. Let's break the code down. Constant LED pin equal to 13 means we are using pin 13 for the LED. Constant button pin equal to 7 means the button is connected to pin 7. In the setup function, pin mode LED pin, output sets pin 13 to output mode. Pin mode button. Pin input pull up enables the internal pull up resistor on pin 7. So it reads high when the button is not pressed. In the loop function, we read the button value using digital read button pin. If it reads high, that means the button is not pressed. We turn the LED off. If it reads low, that means the button is pressed. We turn the LED on. Now let's upload this to our real Arduino Mega board. Open the Arduino IDE. Paste the code. Go to Tools, Board. Select Arduino Mega 2560. Select the correct COM port. Click Upload. And there you go. Press the button. The LED turns on. Release the button, it turns off. This is your first step into physical computing and interactivity with Arduino. Thanks for watching with Madras Academy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hands-on tutorials. See you in the next one.